So another very common instrument used in manufacturing today is the coordinate measuring machine. So again, many of you have probably used coordinate measuring machines or you have them in your plant. And the circa 1960, seems like all the good stuff happened around the 60s, right? We had simple XYZ readouts, those big boxes right up here. There's a simple XYZ readout. It's amazing. I mean, it's the electronics that went into that were quite quite crude at the time. And the other thing, that these instruments would use a hard contact probe. So if you're using a CMM today, you know hard probes are hardly ever used. It's always a touch trigger probe, and many times multiple probes that can be changed automatically. This was also manual drives with fine positioning. So the operator had to have a feel when they came up and touched the part. But this allowed us to measure things. This is basically a height gauge on steroids. It allowed us to measure things that before couldn't be done, or they took a lot of time laying them out on a granite table, and they were just very complex. So today's technology, CMMs are highly accurate, they're very versatile, large capacity, they carry multiple sensors to do lots of different measurements. Touch probes and scanning probes, lasers, and in some cases video. And you also have the ability now to take advantage of the design file and do some offline programming so that you're not tying up the CMM to do your programming when you want to prepare to take some measurements. One thing about most CMMs though, even for simple things, they need extensive training, don't they? So they're complex.